Yo, what is up guys? Diyan lang par here. Uwi muna tayo sa Taguig dahil magpapaganap birthday kahapon ng dalawang tropa. And ngayon daw magpapainom. And bukas din kasi may lakad kami ng isa pang tropa, which is si Miles, si Aerox G. Magpapasama magpa-DRL sa SBA. Shoutout nga pala kay Boss Bill ng PRYMT. And as you can see, si Toothless ngayon hindi na siya mat, thanks to the Helmet Garage Pasig. Shoutout kay Ma'am Joyce and kay Chong, si Chong Works. Siya yung nagpaglossy ng mat natin. Medyo nahirapan siya dito kasi makapal pa daw yung mat niya. Pero yun, pati decal si Chong yung bumanat, kaya medyo maganda talaga. So yun, as they advise, wag muna siyang paliguan for 7 days. Kaso yun yan, naulan simula kanina. Actually madaling araw pa, umuulan na eh. Kaya nakatapalodoin tayo. Biyahe muna tayo guys. Guys ako nang guys, par pala kayo. Yan. Gusto nyo ng magandang serbisyo at magpalinis ng motor, magpa-decals, magpa-ceramic, search nyo lang sa Waze, sa Google Maps, The Helmet Garage Pasig. Solid dun. Ayun mga par, nakakapote na tayo. Nagponcho lang tayo para mabilisan lang, para hindi hassle suotin. Tara na. Biglang nawala yung ulan or yung ambon after ko magsuot ng kapote. Para tayong pinagtitripan, pero okay na yan. Para kahit umulan biglaan, nakasuot na tayo. Pinabalik ng panahon yung tapalodo natin. Ilang araw na daw tayo nag-e-enjoy na naka-tail tidy. May ano daw, papasok daw na bagyo, or nakapasok na mismo yung bagyo. Di na siya nanonood ng TV. Sa social media ko, tawang ko, nagtitingin naman ako ng mga news doon, pero walang lumalabas. Hindi lumalabas sa algorithm ng ano ko, social media. Kaya hindi ko alam. Yun, Marcos Highway na tayo mga par. Sobrang stiff ng kapote ko. Parang ang hirap lumingon. Tara, chill ride lang. Chill ride lang po ako. Sabado no traffic. Yung traffic ngayon wala na talagang pinipiling araw eh. Padaan kami kasi. Yan. Yung silbi ng ano, nung tono ko. Pang lusot-lusot, pang overtake. nagagamit ko pa rin. Kahit na napakabagal ko magpatakbo. Ang sweet naman na itong dalawa oh. Happy Valentine sa inyo mga par. So yun mga par, tanggal lang tayong kapote kasi mainit na. Wala na rin naman ang ulan o ambon. Nag-share lang tayo sa petrol. Then, tara na ulit, gaya na ulit.
Yeah, yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse. Man, it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words, and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passive. And anybody else who is rapping, I'm nasty. Ain't nobody able to catch me, they gasping. They cannot compare, they can't match me, I'm at half speed. I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me. Smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man now. I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me that. All the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming. Ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year. I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget. From nothing to something, I ain't bluffing. I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life. I wanna feel alive, feel the blood inside my veins. I wanna slow the time, will you slow it down with me? I think I need to find what it means to be okay. It's broken by design, can't live life without some pain, yeah. And I know I'll keep running, no, I'll be something you won't see me coming. I know I keep punching, I grow, I keep hunting. No, I need nothing, supposed to be something so close to me, jumping, yeah. In the worst kind of way, you took all of my time and didn't give it back to me. Wasn't enough, and I don't know what to say. You wanna fall in love, but don't wanna feel the pain. I'm so low, cause I don't know if I'm alone, if I'm unknown. But I won't go, no I won't go. You ain't never gonna slow me down, cause I feel alive now.
Dito tayo sa ating baluarte.
Wasting time, wish I didn't feel this way. But with this kind of mind, I will figure out my lane, yeah. It's the highs and the lows, the change and the woes. All the fame on the coast and the pain no one knows. I want the time just to slow, my mind's feeling low. Say I'm fine, but I know that I might be alone. It's that yeah, in the worst kind of way. You took all of my time and didn't give it back to me. Wasn't enough, and I don't know what to say. You wanna fall in love, but don't wanna feel the pain. I'm so low.
So yun guys, nakarating na tayo. Wala tayong parkingan din sa may unahan, kaya dito muna tayo. Pero mga tropa rin to kasi ano nga, nagpainom nga si Nuno, yung tropa natin. Kaya siguro urong na lang natin mamaya. So yun, ang dumi niya. Umulan kasi. So hanggang dito na lang muna mga par. Alam nyo na kung saan nakahanapin. Diyan lang par.